Hi everyone! So our topic for today is all about subpoena or summons. What to do, what to prepare, and what to consider when you receive a subpoena or summons coming from the court or from other government agencies. Of course, the first thing that you have to do is to check kung saan ba nanggaling yung subpoena or summons so that you could verify and check. Then you could either go to the court or to the office that sent you a subpoena or a summons to verify and check din kung ano ba yung kailangan from you. Kasi hindi naman po lahat, hindi naman all the time dahil napadala ka ng subpoena or summons, idinedemanda ka. Yung iba po ay meron lamang parang crucial na testimony or a document or evidence that the other party would think that is in your custody. So, kaya po kayong papadala ng subpoena to produce a document or a summons to appear to give your insight, okay? Pero, what if the subpoena or the summons that you got is actually because merong naka-file against you. So what you need to do, of course, the best thing that you have to do is go directly to the lawyer of your choice, no? So if you have a personal lawyer or a lawyer nearby, it's best that you go to the law office to ask talaga dun sa particular case na yon what you need to do, what you need to prepare, and why were you sent with a subpoena or a summons, okay? So, but one thing that you have to remember is that you have to respect the subpoena or the summons. If it says that you have to appear or you have to produce documents, you have to respect that. That's why you have to go to your lawyer to ask why you were sent that subpoena so that you would know what to do and you will be guided. So, if it's a subpoena or a summons, that indicates a date of a hearing. So it's best that you go there prior to the hearing so that you'll know what to expect during the hearing if it's your first time to receive that summons or subpoena for that case. No? So I think ang kailangan yung tandaan is huwag kayong pangungunahan ng takot. I understand that a number of people, pag nakakatanggap sila ng documents na ganito, natatakot sila kasi bakit naman sila pinapatawag or bakit may naka-file sa kanila or what. Pero the best thing that you have to do is haharapin mo yun. Of course, you have to, kaya nga I told you, you have to check kung ano ba yung, para saan ba yung subpoena or yung summons. Again, you have to respect it kasi it's coming from a court or a government agency with a presumed power to send you a subpoena or a summons, no? So, of course, yun nga, you have to go to your lawyer so that you'll be guided, you'll know what to do. So, ayun, sometimes, yun pa po, there are two things that could be asked from you, either a subpoena, at testificandum, you have to testify to give your statement, your personal knowledge, or do sa STECOM, ito yung production of documents which is in your custody, no? Yung iba naman is, makakatanggap kayo summons. Ang ibig sabihin ng summons, you're just being called upon because there are information in your either position or yung kung ano man yung involvement mo in a certain matter or inquiry na ginagawa, no? So if it's from court, let's say you received a summons together with a copy of a complaint, then that's the time for you to answer. Usually indicated naman po doon what you have to do, but it means to say if you receive a summons with a copy of a complaint, makikita nyo po yung pangalan nyo doon as a respondent. So you have to really go to a lawyer to help you and guide you and represent you in filing an answer for this complaint that was filed against you. If it's if it's a prosecutor investigation, still the same. There's a complaint affidavit filed and you have to file your counter affidavit. So usually there's a date indicated or a period indicated there. Yun naman po, sometimes what if you're being asked to, let's say, become a resource person for an inquiry or or there's an investigation on a matter which does not directly affect you naman, hindi direct sa'yo, but the agency would think that yung iyong participation on the matter would greatly help them. You also have to, of course, you have to respect this and you have to check then kung ano yung ano ba yung kailangan from you so that you'll be prepared. So, a good example will be if you were sent with a letter, let's say coming from your let's say coming from the Senate or from the local sanggunian. There's a matter of inquiry on in aid of legislation, and your position on a matter would be of great help then. So usually yung papadalan ka naman ng letter invitation doon. So again, you check days prior, you verify, and then para alam niyo po what to prepare, what to bring, so so that you'll be prepared. And usually po, these things, they do have a period, either a date of a hearing wherein you have to be present, or a period for you to file something. So, you have to be very particular on these matters. Kailangan po, tutukan nyo, hindi pwedeng natanggap nyo ngayon, tapos hindi nyo papansinin, palilipasin yung panahon, tapos check nyo ulit, or yung iba naman parang hindi papansinin at all. So, that's why I told you, it's very important na you go to a lawyer agad, go to a near law office in your area, or a lawyer that you know, you present this subpoena or summons so that magaguide niya po kayo. Yun nga po, like what I said, uulitin ko, huwag niyo pong pangungunahan ng takot. Okay? Kasi pag natatakot kayo, baka mataranta kayo. Hindi naman siya makakatulong din dun sa sitwasyon kasi the subpoena or the summons is there, and usually I told you there's a period, so you have to act fast and you have to really respect what is ordered of you on that subpoena or the summons. That's why it's really best that you consult with a lawyer so that you'll be guided. Kasi like what I mentioned kanina, there are different instances. Hindi naman po ibig sabihin dahil napadala ka niya, may nakafile na case sa'yo. Or if may nakafile na case sa'yo, that is the perfect time for you to defend yourself and to give either counter affidavit or your answer to the complaint. So, ayun po, it's, kaya nga you should give this subpoena or summons a matter of importance, and it's best that you go to a lawyer agad po. Don't waste time, and consult agad with a lawyer, and check with the guidance of your lawyer, and verify kung ano ba talaga yung kailangan na, if hindi man po clear with the subpoena or the summons, kung ano yung kailangan talaga from you, either a testimony or a document. So, ayun pa, I hope that I was able to help you. If ever you receive a subpoena or a summons, again, huwag matakot at magkonsulta agad po sa abogado para alam niyo po kung bakit kayo napadalan at kung ano ang kailangan ninyong gawin. Maraming salamat po. Keep safe.